I went out. The old woman says,
I'm your mother. Please forgive me for what I have done. It's not too late for us to be together again.
what? My mother? My mother is dead and you pretend to be my mother? Go away before I call the police. So, the old woman stood up and went away. A few minutes later, somebody's calling again. Senorita, a policeman is calling for you. What? A policeman? So I went out and the policeman says,
Mom, sorry to tell you, but your husband is in jail. We found a beggar, an old woman.
What? A beggar? An old woman? Where's she now?
She is in the hospital.
so I went to the hospital and didn't mind my husband.
The hospital. So my mother was dying. Mother! Yes, you are my mother.
Thank you.